How to enable Nintendo Parental Control. To enable the Nintendo's Parental Control, you have to first of all install the mobile application itself using your device's Play Store or App Store. Once you open it, tap on that search bar, then search for Nintendo application. Once you find it, go ahead and download it onto your device. However, the application is not yet available within my region, so it is not showing over here in the search results. But once you download the application itself, you have to now log into your account. Then tap next to generate a 6-digit registration code on your phone screen, and then link the application to your Nintendo Switch control by navigating to the setting and scroll down to the parental controls, select the parental controls settings, choose if you have downloaded the application and select next and type in the 6-digit registration code, then click OK. Now you can set up daily playtime limits and also configure the age restrictions and communication blocks. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.